Welcome to Curry TV. So we're starting a new series with wine tasting along with pairing our Indian food with it. So we take you along this journey. Please stay tuned for more videos regarding this. And on this series, today we are actually going to be tasting Cabernet Sauvignon Reserve 2017 from Pond Cellars. They are one of our friends in Washington. It's about an hour away from our place. And they also have 4 kids, our 4 kids. We grew up this friendship through koi. So we both have kois and they're in the koi business. So their cellar is actually called Pond Cellars. And I believe Pramod has more to say about that.
Yeah, it's called Pond Cellar, and it's 2017 Reserve. It's one of their best wine
Signature pieces.
We bought from them.
So we went there to visit their cellars during this before this pandemic already started. So they were explaining they have a bistro in downtown Vancouver, and that was one of the locations that you can spend an evening on and just try different wines, and they have really good sandwiches and stuff. So on this series we're actually pairing it with mutton roast. This recipe is already featured on Curry TV, so if you'd like to follow along, please do try it, and let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Nice bold red color.
Yeah, nice bold red color.
And how long do you think they have had this cellar open?
They started a long time ago. They had to move into a couple of other locations, but I think they've been having this for 5 years, 5 or 7 years.
So shall we try it with the mutton roast and taste the wine?
Let's
So cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to you guys.
Cheers.
Nice, really nice.
Nice, right?
Really nice. Wow, this is match made in heaven, right?
West End Michelle, it's very good.
Good job.
Next time maybe we will make it and bring it for you.
The strong flavors of mutton really helps with the flavors of wine. Since this is Cabernet, there is already spices blended in it, and it goes well with this recipe. So definitely something to try on. And during this pandemic, it's really a tough time for everybody, especially for small businesses and vineyards and anybody in the food industry. So this is the time that we can help them out. So I believe they have an online site too, right? You can order this and they'll ship it to your location. So definitely try Pond Cellars and their selection of wines. And this is a hit, definitely a hit. We will be making more of this in our household. So thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. Did you have anything to say, Pramod?
No, I think it was good. So this series we'll try to do as much as we can. So you can watch this with the wine pairing with curries. That's the thing which we want to do.
Thank you so much for all your support, and we passed our first year anniversary and our 1,000+ subscribers, and we couldn't done this without you guys. So we really appreciate it. This is a new series for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.